Hi there, Mark from CEM Engineering and Energy Radio. This is your Energy News Update. In this week's headlines, Calgary City Council approves energy-efficient loans to help homeowners. White House sets net zero goals. Green hydrogen hub backed by $5 billion of investment planned for the UAE. How might the world meet its clean energy needs? We're going to head over to my colleague Lisa Katz for this week's top stories.
Thank you, Mark, and welcome to this week's edition of Energy News. A new forecast says Canada is on track for a significant reduction in fossil fuel use by 2050, even as electricity demand grows and demand for crude oil continues. In a new report on long-term Canada energy supply and demand outlook, the Canada Energy Regulator predicts unabated fossil fuel use, meaning fossil fuel combustion without carbon capture and sequestration, will decline 62% by 2050. The forecast suggests Canadians will use significantly less gasoline than diesel in coming years, resulting in a 43% decline in the use of refined petroleum products by 2050. Electricity use could rise by 45% as Canadians transition to electric vehicles. The report predicts low-cost wind and solar power will be used to meet the rise in demand. In other news, 1 year after launching a renewable energy-focused strategy, New Jersey Resources Corp announced a goal of achieving a net zero greenhouse gas emissions from its gas utility operations by 2050. The Garden State Gas Distributor said its investments in energy efficiency programs and pipeline upgrades have put subsidiary New Jersey Gas Co. in a strong position to begin flowing low-carbon fuels like renewable natural gas, or RNG, and green hydrogen to customers. My name is Lisa Katz, and you've been listening to Energy News, your source for the latest news updates and the place to stay educated, informed, and inspired. Have a wonderful week, everyone, and back to you, Mark.
Thanks, Lisa. For more information on these stories, check out our LinkedIn profile. They'll all be posted there. Thank you for joining us on Energy News. And as always, power your purpose.